Hello friends, in this video that we are going to see about the Bank Nifty analysis. If you see that the market which is strong, we call the price which is open below to this zone line, and then I thought initially that the market will be bearish, and then we seen that a lot of supports at this 23 points. This called as a minus 23.6, and then price which is retraced into the median line as well as this zone. The price which is retraced and closed above this zone, and then most probably the directions for will be a bullish. So in that way that my trade is placed. Let me see that our trading actually. So my order. So you can see that initially that I have been placed around something around all of PE, and then once the price which is reversed, close the zone, means close above this zone, and that all my calls will be in the C. Okay, and then you can see my positions something around 4 lakhs and 14,000 rupees is the plus. You can see that the current market of Bank Nifty is somewhere around 35,000 marks, which is trading. So most probably you can see that in the chart I said it is 35,000 marks, which is what is the high? High will be somewhere around yeah, exactly 35,000 marks, which is a very strong resistance and psychological resistance. Most probably the market will be reversed from these points. So I'm not expecting, so I'm not buy put because of the market. Today is the expiry trade, so from here to here almost 370 points. It's a market mode. In that I have brought some of PE here, some of the PE here, and then exit here, and then re-entered here, and then exit here. Okay, that's what my trade plan. And then the second account, that's something around the 16,857 is the profit. So that the another thing that I have given the call in the Hindustan Lever. So in the cash actually, that it's a trial period 336 2336 I was given the call, and then it went up to 40, and then retest all the way down. So we don't have any profit in this trade. Okay, so again that I'm going back to this level. Again you can see that the price patterns, the 23.6 and the plus 23.6, which is very important. If the price which is close above to that, and then it will be a very strong bullish. You can see that the pitchfork upper resistance, which is also makes a huge resistance over there, and then it fall back and then take the support of this line. This will be the median line, and then it went up. I close all my positions at here, and I know that the market will go up to 35,000 mark, but I don't want to take risk because if you see that a lot of we called heads head, which looks like a lot of selling was there, and then you can see that a lot of buying was there in the negative candle also, but I don't want to take a risk of this one. So all those things has been successfully closed. So thank you very much for watching this video. So overall profit for the day is somewhere around 3.4, another 15 3.3, and that another work is 5,800 is the profit. Somewhere around close to 4 lakhs and 35,000. 4 lakhs and 35,000 is the profit. Similar. Okay. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a good day.